Tiny, you sure that gun right there is going to shoot 75 yards, 40 caliber Glock, right?
Glock 27. I know there's other videos out there saying they can shoot 200-300 yards. We're just going to see if we can hit that stump over yonder. I'd say it's about 75, 80 yards.
Little white
see the one I'm talking
right
about.
there.
If we don't shoot it, we'll get close. We'll be close enough to hurt somebody or scare somebody off. But we're going to try it. Glock 27, X grip with a Glock 40 23 mag. We're going to try her. Let's light her up. Is it hitting? Is it hitting it?
You're close.
Up or down?
Hit. 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 Miss. Hit. 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 Miss.
Now boys, I lost count of 3 or 4 hits, but I think that's pretty good for a Glock 27 with a 3-inch barrel. You can be your own judge of that. I'm Tiny. Peace out.